Soko TV, uboroso bw'umugusi.
Chinsa isato chia bono botuko mwancho murigeria chia butokire asobotuko begabwa gatano na rimo mutinyigo kianda mwako igabwikiri bubere 25. Karibu sana semesa yama yakuru ensoka weekend chinsa ikaisato tosanga sobo ikero no komanya nararia ya ANK wase ritukeriga nchenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi aseri bagaria batoko bwaterana na barabo togosaba bono oikaransoike obena into wika omwere. Murigaria karibu sana na ndebo igoinyora na boko bwateria manganaiga amaya kuru ensoko wetera semitandao ito ya Facebook na YouTube ase tore live na bono tugochaka igetambokero kemuraiwensi ya Kenya muskule muruta mono muraiwe kiama kia Orange Democratic Movement ODM Raila Odinga wasonana na komotori omo governor bwe county ya Nairobi Mheshimiwa Johnson Sakaja kurwa samboko yaba MCA abo badigetie kumurusia abisia senchira yoko mochane gati ya mocho au hende kiniko kiarentre riberera ginto kirira bamenye be county ya Nairobi wesoke anakurwa ebirengere byabo mulikito Linet Nyambane nero gutegorere mesa ya maya chinsa isato
riberera ritindi ni gorigendrete kubwata inse maegayo muraibwe kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga amono muraibwense William Ruto goswana na no murubiri bwa MCA county ya Nairobi gutaka kumurusie ase obisi omugabana bwe county eyo Johnson Sakaja kubwatekana no bokoreri obobe egati abamenyi be county ya Nairobi besokire na kugikiria abarayabo asoko mwegerera Sakaja asebatebire taribu ya goswana na Neri Chiko.
Kama Governor Sakaja ako innocent, apitie hiyo impeachment, iende Senate. Kama ako innocent, Senate iweze kumuokoa. Hivyo ndio sheria inasema. Kwa sababu Governor wa Kericho amepitia hiyo mkondo, akina Waititu, akina Sonko, Kawira Mwangaza na magavana wengine wamepitia hiyo mkondo ya sheria.
Kudikereri aba gavana bande niko bako endosi bako impeach barusi byobisi asekyo yere nere ruta chetego a respond to an immediate effect asekyo nera a reacted in immediate effect.
Kwa hivyo ilikuwa makosa former Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga na Rais Ruto kuzima hizo juhudi za MCS kuuliza accountability from Governor Sakaja. Kwa sababu ni wajibu wa MCS kuuliza mambo ya accountability and transparency from the governor.
Kwa hiyo inamaanisha kuna ukora mwingi ambao unafanyika and it is obvious for everybody to see. Nairobi County actually in my view has failed. Mimi sioni tani Governor Sakaja ametufanyia.
Abamenyi abo bono ni go baereiro bokoreri obobe kurwa ase omugabano oyo
aja kurwa sweto bogambie genda akole ne chikopro joka bekire street chikopro jikere na mesi ya ireto ya gambe tonili 1 year ekabeka chikopro ekarosi chinyagitali ekabeka maje mol ndoja na mesi ya kote binte binge within 1 year.
To his credit amejaribu ameweka firefighting lorry ziko kila pahali. But why are you putting these firefighting lorries all over and yet allowing illegal connections in the city?
Lakini bono kwa mayakonyanga ati chindagira gali chikomorunse
Nonye nabo abamenya abo batebire Sakaja nigo abwato bugesa kuchinga kichiokorika abakore meremo ase county.
Tuachiete lirie Sakaja kolika vijana. Ngagenda ali City Stadium tukabekera ini korumambi saa 11 mpaka saa 1 otende ino monto rusi kumaga yao ko batomanyiri kwanyora ngomuruye ngamaga yao rusi womo muzikiswe ngamaga yao rusi womo garo rusi wera
are nayo ni gobo baruko boria gochasegesa kukyomugusi koimokerera igoro na kurwanirira ebirogo ao ase omocho Nairobi.
Wono aba gusina baimuke igoro nande nje natemanga na kitogende nore ikali somo gusi yako tene onye mbakazi yako tene no MP abagusito rorengana kintu tapuko bagusimbali banga aturegister alitopeka abagusi abange se county ya Nairobi eline na into tokonya kebi.
Goripoteria Ensoko TV korwa ase omocho moneno Nairobi erietariane Lenet Nyambane.
Bemano Linet Nyambane na report ro senchira yowe kirano mwancho murgira tokoskabosio abari au ni gorit koria rero baikirana bose bakoreta aro goikense moye bunge ya mbere North County ya Embu iriko korege ikaramo na basae igatie bara yabo baikirana ngamono morai omokonyi bo morai bwense Professor Kithure Kindiki mwaziri wo bokoreri bwa serikali Geoffrey Ruku mugavana bwa county ya Embu Mheshimiwa Cecily Mbarire negati yabande abo baroro bosemia gochia sabasae koyebeka senchirerengia iyo kwegenderia na koena kiabuna imiroberi yabo nechiko bake kubwate sigwa koboko amone serikali muri Kito Ishmael Mogere na roboti rwa senchira yubikirana.
Omokonyi bw'omurai bwense Professor Kithure Kindiki muwaziri w'obokoreri Geoffrey Ruku omugabara bwe county ya Embu Cecily Mbarire amo n'abarai bande nigo rituko ria rero bakoretaro gwikense moye bunge ya mbere North County ya Embu irigo korege ikaro amo n'abasae boigo abarai au kurwe county eyo. Kindiki niganchiranire buna abasae na bwekisiro n'echinguru chiensende yonsi.
Mimi nataka tu niseme mambo machache. Ya kwanza, unajua ya kwamba vijana ndio nguzo na ndio tegemeo la taifa lolote lile. Hakuna taifa inaweza songa mbele kama limewacha vijana nyuma. Young people all over the world, they are the engines of progress and development in any country. Na ndio agenda ya vijana inakuwa na umuhimu sana, because without young people no society, no country can progress.
Chingaki abasae bagwesoki na kugania maunchiririo gokorekana imeyense Kindiki nigaboriria abasae gokorabo wetere nchirere entoereru etari guturubanio morembe bwense.
What we request from our young people with a lot of respect is that as we process our input to our national development, as we add value to our leaders so that they can deliver better, we must do so as young people peacefully and not using violence. Because when we introduce violence, we will destroy the economy, we will destroy investment, and the job opportunities that could have been created, whether by the public sector or private sector, will be lost.
Irigosira na gukinia ebiegwa serikali nigo yachakira umuroberio bwo kwagacha chi academy chechigosori ase chiskuru ase Kindiki aenekirie chi academy chechigosori 35 chachakire kwagachwa na inde serikali ni chikwagache chinde 22.
For the first time, this government is the first government which has started to build sports academies in schools. Already 37 sports academies have started. We are going to roll out another 27 sports academies. We want to make sure eventually in the next 2 years, every constituency in Kenya has a sports academy to start developing the talent of our young people early.
Bosio bw'abachorio boke bw'omutienyi o 11 Leonard Muriuki Mudende oyoro murwaniriri bwekere gukyo bunge gwetere kiama kya UDA nigo neranyora ribaga ryo kweyakere koko ayamagega ya Geoffrey Ruku oyorengo mubunge bwensemeyo gochora buno mu waziri bw'abakorari imeyense.
Nyinyi ndio champions wa youth empowerment. Tumesikia mambo ya digital hub. Mimi kitu ya kwanza nikichaguliwa kama mbunge digital hubs Momenje, Ndawa, Evurore nitajenga. Hiyo ni sawa youth?
Ni sawa.
Kwa sababu mi naelewa mambo ya mtandao, naelewa mambo ya digital, na hata saa hii Eshiara kuna wifi, Siakago kuna leo wifi, na Kadhanja inaenda kuwekwa. Siyo ni maneno mzuri?
Ginko reporter ya Ensoko TV, rietariane Ishmael Mogere.
Bimano Ishmael Mogere no roboti rasinchira yoboikira no mwanjo murigera togoskabosio bono tomurikira roboti rwechisemi muriki botamba se wizara yechisemi Mheshimiwa Julius Bitok nigaereire buna chiskuru wetane chiri bwe 30 sense ya Kenya nigo chia bwatukire omubaro bwa boroke wako chia se wizara yechisemi hasebara chikubwatukirwa chibesa ego chakira eki enya chinga kecho boigo nigo omojumbe webunge Naivasha Mheshimiwa Jane Kihara amochirie hogotabwatuka wechibesa hase chiskuru hanemono capitation na komochia hemerobirio ya empowerment yokorogo mono mokonyi bomuraibwense Kithure Kindiki asate buna chibesa icho nigo chisaine wikirane chisemi asabarkiwa.
Capitation is not coming, it's delayed. The children have opened school. And yet we can see a lot of squandering of money, resources, in things they are calling empowerment. If you are not empowering that child in the school, you don't need to empower grown-ups by giving them beans and 2,000 shillings. 2,000 shillings, even if it's 10,000, it will not get anywhere, it just get used. Ideally is to support this system that was started by His Excellency, the late Mwai Kibaki. It's unfortunate that instead of improving it, we are finishing it. We are telling teachers not to send kids home, yet there is no money. Wrong? Unfortunately, instead of doing what we promised to do, we are back in campaign.
It's another opportunity once again to tell the nation what's happening on matters education. We are here in Machakos TTC to ensure that the verification process of all the school data is completed on time. And I'm happy to inform the nation that so far we have received data from all our 32,000 schools around the country. The only challenge that we had at the beginning was that the formats of the data that was being submitted was not consistent with our templates. But right now, we have been able to update our sub-county directors of education together with the heads of institution. The data that is now coming in or streaming in is consistent with our templates, and we are happy to note that the team here is working very hard, burning the midnight oil to ensure that they complete this process. So far, 3,000 schools have been able to receive capitation, they have been able to be verified, they have submitted the correct data, the correct number of students, the correct schools, and the process is going on. And I've asked the team here to work throughout the weekend to ensure that we wire the money as soon as possible. We are anticipating that by next week, end of next week, all our schools, all our 32,000 schools will have received their capitation.
Mwancho murigeria na mangenko arigandetia semesa yama yakuru ensoko chinso isatu lakini ensemege ntangani notogi komwerio tigaturende studio ya kabere turanyoro mutumuka kitukure na tuskare tukaenda gwesemia mange.
Eye n'Ensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi
nogani tisemi chebikoro elikogenda nokugani gwechiro Riatirimba Technical and Vocation College no turaiga asingenje yao nigo tukurwa chikosi cha hairdressing, mechanics, tailoring, welding and fabrication egatio chinde abaruki wabaito nkonyora baro bakonyi wa masomo gwetere njira ya help ne chikosi chito nigo chiwire uchasonde bwensi nigo tugutuka asama tabekania geteri ensemo ya Kesu Kisii County asamange tuakirisimi asenamba 0757331085 kusitulikere email riatirimba tvc2020@gmail.com.
Sama lieta ngoro kwa Jackson Omae yuando mwalimu Mukonyi deputy principal at a college ya Riatirimba.
By name I'm Joseph Kawala, the principal of Riatirimba Technical and Vocational College. Riatirimba is a technical college that welcomes everybody who is interested in taking technical courses.
Riatirimba Technical and Vocational College, scaling the heights of technology.
Omwancho mulire bw'Ensoko TV ngeta sengiye Ensoko TV nibwatira sengenje yao
kokoletera amangana amaya
ayatabwati gwanchero ko rwonsi kurimo yagusina isiko yagusi
to kubekera teneni anyarre ko bakawateka
atabwati gwanchiro bonda bwensi
korwa ebunge ya kitutu chache South Meye County ya Kisii elietari anen Caroline Mausa
korwe county ya Nyamira elietari Nyarige Steven Embonde
korwa county ya Kisii elietari ane Wycliffe Orenge
mera na inche Dominic Onderi Nyabuto ekeranya gukoreta amangana amaye ko ritukira Jumatatu bakari tukira Jumapili
tindi ngongoro ko Petuel machine na nyora netrobin ya Ensoko TV oboroso bomobusi
nguriole bintu byekerero bunesimi laptop esapufa TV fridge nabo ibintu binde byestima tago chandeka Soki Electronics no tule iga asinenchao nkoni tule bintu wichakire byenyumba ebye salon nonya ne bintu byobesi aseriguri uraikeri nigo tugutukanye mu Nyamira no bokole bwito no bokobokera twakirisi myese namba 0702669403
Eye Soki Electronics ibihugu cyo Nyamira mwesi mwariganye
Twaichanire kuralia ugukwa kwa Henry Muranga Obonyo igaru mwana nyagusira Jackson Obonyo na Eunice Nyangweso Obonyo Numugakoye Margaret Turungi nigari Samonchari Tirimba Angela Immaculate Ontweka Lucia Mogoi na Boigo Agnes Sokoro yaye Richo Bonareri noyo mwabanyona Priscilla Grace Onuonga Jemima Yagusira Tenesias Jane Moronge Yagusira Ouko Maturu Justin Onguti na Boigo Bosibori mwanoye Abraham Ontweka na Agnes Biyaki nigare mokoyoye sabia kwambuka Yagusira Joseph Igoro John Ochaka Maria Nyangweso Priska Mura na Boigo Charles Misati aba isamoke ngamona Ongeri Yagusira Omote Mokaya Ochuang Kayago Onyoni Nyambane na Boigo Mariara Tirimba abangina moke ngamona Yagusira Mugute Yagusira Teresa Sibia Yagusira Arumba Yagusira Mura na Boigo Nyagusira Jemima umuberoye nigora rusi wenkendu ya Montezuma Nairobi Alamisi chidaliki 11 cy'umutinyu cyanda bu mwaka wa 2025 na kwa ni walitukole Ijumaa chidaliki 12 cy'umutinyu cyanda bu mwaka wa 2025 asenga yaye ensemo ya mugweko kya Mukama Ward ku Ensoko TV nigo twatumira magomba ucyase amate abayiri n'abasani banyagusira Henry Muranga Obonyo
ano mwebuli Henry tumwano obugimo bya bwankyo Eskuri Oborosa Tabaka Academy nigo tukubwatira naye eligwikirania ndote asoko mwana Oborosa botingu bw'ikisemi asekerengo ge fees oranyare wakana abari mu baito nigo bari no bumanyi bw'emirimo nabo igongutiri bari byewa ao byaborokigwa buna kigosori egatiye binde ngurutura bosombi asaborokiwa ntubwate nyumba cy'uburaro asaba amenyetaime endagire yaborokiwa baito nigere eyebirango biguru
tubwate birasi kuru play group up to grade 8 umwaka ugo changu chitore kutwara grade 9
nigo tugutuka ange ninyegitari ya Tabaka Mission twakere simi 0722 408142 gose 0708 706239 Tabaka Academy School of Thinking Learners. Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi.
Karibu sana nendo mwancho murigaria sense mega ya kabere to wakirambia muna soko gendra gotubwatere na gosanga na intu na bono toko gendra kwemanya unencheremo yoko beko mukia bukurwania chisegi chigenka nige kiombeke mo kimanyika ende buna folder kurense meria ya musoche bunge ya kitutu cha South gia cha kiremero berio yoko bwato kama igerio ochia se abo ba bose abairuete koene kia buna nkorwana bale chisegi chigenka elio koene kia omorembe ase chinka.
From the beginning, I did not know that woman is also important as men, because this is what I inherited from my father. My father used to beat up my mom each and every day, and we took it as normal. So wakati hata mimi nilikuja hapa nikajifunza, nikaona umuhimu wa mwanamke na mtoto msichana katika familia na katika society yetu. Ilinigusa sana nilipojifunza kwa undani maana ya GBV. Nikaona ni heri hata mimi niendelee kujifunza zaidi, nichue undani wa hili jambo ya GBV ambao imekita misisi katika Kisii County na makaunti zingine.
It's called value-centered approach, and this value-centered approach was developed from University in Fulda, Germany, and it is what that has made us to make our sustainable decisions, have attitude change, protect our girls within their families. Causes of GBV are many, starting from the homes, especially there is issues dealing with the land, issues dealing in the family, that is finances. We have other issues that is people are not mostly aware that violence goes to an extreme whereby even we have several forms of violence. Some people even don't know that scorning, scolding, and also even we do not have proper communication. This is also a causes of violence. There are many causes of violence.
Wanafunzi hawawezi kusoma kwa sababu hakuna kuelewana katika hiyo familia. So tukapata kuwa ni vizuri tukae chini nao, tusungumuze ili at least watu wote wapate elimu kuwa ni vizuri kuishi na amani katika familia ili tusiwe na shida. Mahali ambapo watoto wanaacha mashule wanaenda kufanya vitu zingine.
The factors that are contributing to high level of GBV, and then we looked at the cool downs or the ways to lessen the GBV, and we are working in a method called value-centered approach, in which we approach the people by involving them without charging them first, so that they collect, and after that we continue with the trainings.
Toska usemo nchomo ligaria mugavana boy county ya Makueni Mheshimiwa Mutula Kilonzo nigamo chire merobero yokorigia koremaria obokoreri bwe serikali chechi county anemo na saba tukabwango ga savarai kuri serikali nene babeire bakomochia chi county ukwana samatanga ya me county yo ya Makueni Kilonzo nigatebire serikali yense ya Kenya igebwate chibesa chisa ine guikirane obokoreri ase chi county chonsi onye obokurumi bogochiago keiwa.
Na uache the offices that are supposed to do oversight na audit wafanye kazi yao. That is the way to do things. Otherwise sisi hatutarudi tulikuwa wakati wa Moi. Into one state, haiwezekani. And even Raila, be told, Kenyans voted for 47 counties. Hakuna vile mtaambia Nakuru warudi Uasin Gishu, ama waende Baringo, ama warudi Nairobi. It can't work. The resources we have as a country are enough to even have more counties. Wakiacha kuiba na kutengeneza mitandao fake. Tunaelewana? Sisikiki? There are enough resources in Kenya to run more than 47 counties.
Tuskebosio bono mwancho murigeria toso sensemo ya siasa chiburaburu niko chiane kiwa rero ase chiabisi chekiama ya DCP orosegaru county ya Meru kubwatakana no kwemurungania kurwa sababwata nibe kiamekyo abo bamo chamo njuria ayu akorekana tobot kubugo kera rero ukona nabali kiamangana isiko chiabisi echo niga babwatani abo bamusabiro murabe kiamekyo mwishimiwa Rigathi Gachagua esoke elio kugayana umuchando yogendrete ase ensemeyo buna ikiamekyo kagendrete kuyarigania Osibo bachorio boke mutinyo komerere mu mwako yo.
2 weeks will strengthen and we'll have a proper list of officials now which is balanced gender which was remaining.
Mimi nimeona hii chama ina transparent na hii chama imeanzia ukora mapema. Kama ina change chama ni usiku. Hata ticket watatunyima. Na ndio mimi naonelea nilikuwa nimesimamia sekta ya bonda bonda. Na raundi tunataka sekta ya bonda bonda iwe na sauti juu mimi naomba kiti nilikuwa nimetoka kwa pikipiki. Ninasema hii chama tulikuwa tunaipenda Bwana Gachagua. Lakini viongozi wale wametuchagulia hapa Meru wameanza ukora mapema.
Hii ndio maana sisi wenyewe tutaambia wenzetu wasilipe chama. Sababu sisi tulikuwa tunajua tunawekeza mahali mwanaidhi wetu alipo. Unanielewa? So with that tunasema sasa tunaweza ambia hata waidhi wenzetu wakome.
Kurwa senseme yo ya siasa mwancho murigerera tumurikiro bonjuri ya sense ya Kenya nigo yemukire gatambo kirogyo kubwaterana nense ya Algeria sechi sector au hanemona sense moyo bonjuri okwana ekera omiranete na Kenya abamenyeta asomo chomo nene bo Algiers me Algeria mukonyi bo muraibu ense ya Kenya Professor Kithure Kindiki nigo aenekire bune serikali ya Kenya nigere tayari kubwaterana nechinse chinde imeyoro gongoro Africa hanemono Algeria asoko enekyo bonjuri obuya goikirana bore irigo kini uchumi.
We are also working towards operationalizing direct flights between Algiers and Nairobi to facilitate movement, because today many people who want to come to Algiers have to go through Middle East or through Europe, which is not very tidy, and therefore the air services will ease movement of people and goods and also promote people to connect ties. And then the trade will also even cement our relationship. The education programs, we are going to make them mutual so that again we build on our relationship with Algeria. Africa must learn to build itself. Africa is a big economy, 54 nations, 1.4 billion people, is a huge market. Africa is even a powerhouse intellectually. It's only that we have not harnessed the intellectual resources of Africa properly. Algeria is keen to opening up more to Kenya and other African countries in trade. And going forward, we're going to firm up our relations in a meeting to be held in Nairobi in November so that we can start exporting many of our products here, and they are keen to buy our coffee, to buy our tea, to buy our meat, to buy our powdered milk, to buy our avocado, our citrus fruits. We just need to firm up the trade agreements. That's why the trade minister is here, and there's a joint commission for cooperation to take place in November to firm up some of the
asokoro mwancho murigeria turigeria na raria ya aina kiwi kurwa sense moye chigosari ekero ritko ri ankyo rikade ritko rinene timu ya Shabana asogo sangeria usaso kusangeria nibo yuirache ko konye timu yukwari kana bosibu season yenye ya 2025-2026 niko murikyo monne bwe timu ya Shabana Elizafan Karama osekirama akorire igikaro emambi ya rero nabarikia mangana kwera amarigani onsia yagendrete bosibu litko ya mambia igati yemeroberio irakorekana abo ankyo ngamono gosangeria chibesa okumirana nabatioterea abo bagosire timu ya Shabana abego korekana hego sori yobosani igati timu ya Shabana neri ya Pamba Jiji kurensemo ya Tanzania nigabatioterea baboligo gwesokia sobonge gosire timu hiyo litkoria ankyo.
Siku ya kesho ni siku ambayo itakuwa ni siku kubwa sana. Tumejiandaa vizuri, tutakuwa na Shabana Day ambapo tutakuwa na series of activities. Tutakuwa na entertainment, tutakuwa na ile hali ya kujuana kutoka kwa mashabiki, wachezaji, technical bench na wa leaders. Alafu baadaye kutakuwa na mechi ya kirafiki ambao ni international friendly ambapo sisi kama mwana Shabana tutakuwa tukimwalika mwana Pamba Jiji kutoka Tanzania. So ningechukua fursa hili kuwakaribisha mashabiki wetu wote, our leaders wote, supporters, wapenzi wa soka wakapata kujumuika nasi siku ya kesho katika uwanja huu wetu wa Gusii Stadium. Kuna kuanga na hali ya upinzani na haijawahi kosekana katika mchezo, katika hali yoyote. Kwa wale ambao labda wanaweza taka kuchukua mwelekeo wa aina hiyo, hao ni wapinzani ambao wanajaribu kupingana na ile hali ama support ya timu ambayo inaendelea kupata katika wakati huu.
Kwa jina naitwa Moses William, msemaji wa klabu ya Pamba Jiji. Kule Tanzania wananiita semaji la boli, msemaji pekee nchini Tanzania ambaye anaweza kuzungumzia mpira kwa mapana yake. Tupo hapa tayari nchini Kenya, Kisii. Tumeshatua, tuko sawa sawa, tuko vizuri. Niwaambie mashabiki na wapenda mpira wa nchini Kenya, hasa Kisii hapa ambapo tumefika, kuna mitaa hapa nimeambiwa ya daraja 1, daraja 2, Nyanchwa, si ndio? Na maeneo mengine yote ambayo yako jirani hapa. Klabu ya Pamba Jiji, sehemu yote ambako tukifika tunakwenda kutoa burudani. Hapa kwenye eneo ambalo tumefika na timu ambayo tunakwenda kucheza nao kwa maana ya Shabana FC ni timu ambayo ilitupatia kijana ambaye alitufanyia mazuri msimu uliopita kwa maana ya goal machine, goal poacher, Matthew Tegisi Momanyi, top striker. Aliingia dirisha dogo akafunga magoli 7. Sasa kesho anaenda kuwaonesha wanakisii kwamba kule Tanzania amekuwa, kule Tanzania anakula vizuri, kule Tanzania anapumzika vizuri. Kesho anakuja kuwaweka hapa goli hizi 2. Lakini mbali na hapo timu yetu na Wakenya wengi. Tunaye mtu kama Brian yuko pale kwenye kikosi chetu, lakini kocha wa timu yetu anatokea hapa nchini Kenya kwa maana ya Francis Baraza, kocha wa mpira mimi namuita. Kwa hiyo kimsingi niwaambie mashabiki na wapenda soka kwa ujumla nchini Kenya na hili eneo la Kisii, kesho anakwenda kushuhudia mpira mzuri, mechi bora, mechi ya ushindani. Na sisi Pamba Jiji tunawaambia kama nyie Shabana FC mlituita kuja kutujaribu, ili neno kujaribu mliondoe. Mziki wetu wote tunakwenda kuushusha pale kesho Gusii Stadium. Mashine zetu za kazi zote, Matthew Tegisi, Majid Mangalo, James Mwashinga, Kevin Nation mkata umeme wa nchi, na mashine zote zimefika salama, ziko vizuri. Kimsingi safari ilikuwa nzuri, hatujapata changamoto yoyote. Wakenya ni wakarimu, tumefika tuko vizuri, tayari vijana wanapumzika kuandaa miili yao kwa ajili ya kesho nzito kuja kuonesha Shabana FC kwa nini tunaitwa Pamba Jiji FC, chama la wote. Kwa hiyo tuko sawa sawa, tuko vizuri. Niwaambie tu mashabiki kesho tukutane Gusii Stadium.
Manchumo ligreria wano unabatiotere baboli wabo baiso kiaso bongeri tukoria ankyo kurasarongorwa Gusii timu ya Shabana FC nanda bange bachi kuligreria koenekia egosori eyo rachi koenekio gatie timu ya Pamba Jiji kuru Tanzania na Shabana FC kuru sensi ya Kenya. Pamba Jiji mwanchumo ligreria omagosori Matthew Tegisi Momanyi kuru ensemo ya Tanzania bako morokanga Matthew nuarute timu ya Shabana agasoa Pamba Jiji echikoba entunde ntangani kegima arache kogosoria na ndase gitikia Gusii Stadium hase egeka kimiti nyetari meke anganyire kuru ase timu yo na ndasa gochia kogosoria arache kogosoria timu ya Pamba Jiji koenekia na chikogosoria kubeka chigori ase timu ya Kabeire ya asama tukamba kwa kirambia mona soko sangana into asemesa ayama yakuru ensoke ense yamo na bono chinsa isato togotebanga onyara ko bakugutwara butukobya nako gendra kwegokya nemiroberio herache kogendra asembeo yensoko TV nchenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi Brana Chaka Neronkonya kuramega yechi kamera Felistas Kabendi director zaki Kenya na bukure studio akabere baina kiamari gingo chara senchirengia tumira nanda sembeo nyasaye kawanja